Hey everyone! So we have another new release book that I wanted to do a flip through of. Now this is Birds in the Forest. This is by Denyse Klette. However, Zendoodle is hosting her art. Now she is most known for Gnomes in the Neighborhood, but she also has her fairies book as well, which isn't as popular. But I love her artwork, and one thing I really loved about Gnomes in the Neighborhood were the birds, like the quirky birds. They always had like an attitude and it was just fun to like just look at them all and the different personalities. So she came out with a book that has all, like, it's just birds. So let's flip through and show you what you get. So this did just release. I had this on pre-order for quite a long time. It actually wasn't even supposed to release for a few months, and then I got a notification that it was popping out today, so I was like, whoa. But here is the belongs to page. Now this is a thicker cardstock, but it's a little rougher, so it's not as smooth like as Johanna Basford, but single-sided, which is always nice. Uh-oh, the return of the blankets. I know there's a lot of people in her fairies book that that's one reason they didn't like it, was all the blankets. But the fairies book was really tiny print and like just rough to see what you were doing. The mermaids one was a little better. It's cute. Where's the bird? Oh, the bird's right there. I'm like, where's the birds? Oh, and then they're on top of one another. Oh, it's one of the fairies. So yeah, these are the fairies that you see in her fairy book. They're really skinny little things. Sleeping bird. Oh, isn't that cute? That'd be fun to do for Valentine's Day. Next year, I guess. I just like the expressions. And like, you can tell, look, like this one's a moody bird. So it's just funny. Oh, how cute are those? I swear, she has like the funniest ideas for these things. Like, look, we got this one here that's kind of like a little moody, where these two are just like, meh. But yeah, that was one thing I loved about Gnomes in the Neighborhood, was the personalities of the birds. I know it seems silly, but that's cute. Big old space for background there. Oh. The jets weren't out until I started filming. I swear, that's like the story of my life. Ooh, this would take a while, but it looks fun. One thing I am noticing is some of the print is a little blurry in some areas. So that's interesting. They either added something over a layer before printing, or it's the way it was printed, because I'm not seeing it blurry in the same spot in on every page, but just here and there I noticed like a few elements that seem kind of blurred. Not on every single page though. I'll point them out when I see it. Look at that one. Ooh, that one looks so fun. This reminds me of, in her fairies book, she has one where the tulips are draped like that, and that's the fairies asleep on a big old pile of blankets on top of it. There are a ton of pages in here. Her books are always pretty thick, though. Like, she gives you a lot of content. I will leave a link in the description below to this one. But yeah, it had been announced like last year and I pre-ordered it. Oh, that's so cute. So, and it's funny because it ended up coming out the same month as Aviary, the mythographic one. So it's kind of funny they both came out on the same month. Month of birds. See, these could be fun. Like, you could do them all cartoon style. Like, you don't have to go for anything realistic. I think that's one thing I enjoy about her style is like, you don't really have to worry about being, you know, realistic with your colors. You can be bright and crazy, or in this case, that would be really dark, but yeah, it just takes a little pressure off. That's cute. I always love how she has like the dangling flowers and whatnot. Something I've noticed unique to her style. Interesting, like you got these little guys hanging out down here in like the thorny, scary area, and then they're up here in the pretty one. It's like good versus evil. Oh, this would be fun. So many tropical colors. Oh, and my Prismas have so many pretty tropical colors. I do love using Prismas on this paper. Then again, I love using Prismas on all paper, so I guess I'm a little biased. This would be a cute one to do. A little stork with little babies. Oh, look at that one. See, look at just their personality. They don't even have to have facial expressions. Just the way their eyes and nose are shaped make them unique and quirky and fun. Oh, look at that one. Such a unique artist. Oh, this will be so fun for like Christmas time. Do a nice snow background, so just make it kind of like a nice blue or gray and then splatter white acrylic. So that's fun that there's gonna be some winter ones. They're all like cozied up. That's cute. And the piggies. The piggies were in the mermaids one or the fairies one, I can't remember. Oh, look at this one for winter. This would be cute too. And that one, I need to improve coloring ice, like frozen water ice, because I suck at it. I need to practice. I love these little winter outfits they have on. It's so cute and quirky. Look at just these personalities of the birds. Makes me laugh. Like, it's fun when you have a coloring book that like just makes you smile because it's so darn like goofy, you know? You don't have to be serious. Ooh, I really like this one. Gosh, this is gorgeous. Background would really make it. Yeah, I like that. That's gorgeous. Oh, they're standing on top of their surfboards. Those are cute. This month I have a lot of book flip-throughs, but that's because March had a ton of books that I've had on pre-order for a long time, all releasing at once. So, yep, if you see a lot of those on my channel, it's just books that I pre-ordered a long time ago, and March came around, and it's like all the artists decided to launch their books in March. Ooh, I like that one. But I pre-ordered it because I knew I would like her work, since I've liked the other books I have of hers. Oh, we got a mermaid in here. I like that she's incorporated some of the characters from her other books too. Yeah, this one, oh gosh, I think I wanted to say I pre-ordered it like summer of last year, if not longer. Oh, that's so cute. I like that one. That's a really cute one. And then that is it. But I mean, that is a very thick book. I love the cover too, just all the color. So yeah, that is Birds in the Forest. Let me know in the comments below if there's any pages you'd like to see colored or whatnot. Or if you pre-ordered this. I'm curious how many people ended up pre-ordering it or waiting, because she's not as popular as, you know, some of the more mainstream adult coloring book artists, but not everyone even knows about Denyse Klette, which I was surprised about because she does have 3 books out. It's just they're not as popular for some reason. They should be, because they're freaking adorable, and you get a ton of pages and the paper's good, which is rare in the printing industry these days. So yeah. That is Birds in the Forest. Thanks for hanging out with me and enjoying another flip through. I'm actually about to go off and film another, so until next time, take care. Bye now.